of the 1200. And something very important with this controller as well, the complete and utter integration of drives and motion. One other thing about this, something that's of interest, every version 12 license of professional that is sold, start drive will go with it. It's standard. Also too, in this demo, real quick, you see we do have a control panel, a 22-inch comfort panel for the control of this system. And what we want to show you is how easy it was to configure control and motion with this particular system today. Show you how simple it actually is. Okay, so let's get started. You can see the portal back here behind me. There's a couple of buttons that are pretty interesting. One is the drives and parameterization, start drive. The other one is motion and technology. All right, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and navigate to the wizards for this drive, because the first thing we should do, the most logical thing we should do, is the parameterization, right? You have to parameterize the drive, otherwise it doesn't work. Well, if we go to the wizards, you'll see that we have a couple of choices here. And from Hanover this past year, here's the long wizard we used before. There's many more parameters required for the long wizard. That's because we would actually have a lot of the control come directly out of the drive. In this instance, we're going to have zero of the control come from the drive. So we have a short wizard now integrated. You see there's only 4 choices. The first of which is the hertz. 50 or 60 hertz, right? We're in Europe, I guess we should probably use 50 hertz. Let's choose that. Let's go on to the next step. The motor. If you order a motor drive combination from Siemens, search for that motor in this wizard right here, you'll automatically populate the nameplate data directly into the parameterization tool. You don't have to type any of it. I'm trying to keep it simple and easy for you guys, right? Okay, so that's done. Let's go on to the next step. Here, we can choose the telegrams we're going to pass back and forth from the drive back up to the controller, and we can even choose the reference speed for this particular drive. The next page is a summary screen. That way you can review your choices, make certain everything's the way it should be. It is. It's simple. We're good. Let's move on. The drive is now parameterized. Okay, what's the next step? Since we didn't do anything from the actual control functionality, that should